Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TV speaker or your audio out device on your LG TV. So press Options on your remote. Then when we open up the screen, we have the settings here for sound out. We can just click this and we can scroll through here until we get to the device we want to connect. So we got optical out device, HDMI ARC, Bluetooth device, etc. So we can just go through here, otherwise go to advanced settings. We can go to settings right here and then go down to sound, and we also have the option for sound out. We can select this and then use TV speaker. If we want to switch back to that, use wired speaker, wireless speaker, use external speakers with TV speakers. So you can just choose which speaker you want to go ahead and connect to. So it should be very easy. So you can choose it and just select one of these and you can see what one it will connect. So this one should be Bluetooth, LG Wowcast. The TV is connected to LG Wowcast device. Not sure what that is yet, but we can use that if we want. And then we got use external speakers, and it looks like this is Bluetooth. So if you're trying to connect a Bluetooth speaker, this is where you would go to switch it on over. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.